Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be planting out my potatoes. I know some of you have got your ones out already, but I've just come back from holiday and I've got my allotment to deal with, so I've been doing that. So I'm just going to get the things what I want planted. So I've got some potatoes. I'm going to be planting them in my containers as usual, because I don't want to just deal with the digging at the allotment. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. I've done a video like this before earlier from last year, you might see that one, but this is this year's video, so some of you still want to see how I do my one, so I'm going to get on with that. So the potatoes I'm going to be planting this year, these are kestrels. I've got some Jazzy, I've got Clasabanca, and I've got some Vidali. I've got the Maris Typo as usual, and I've got some Diaries, which are red potatoes. So all these I'm going to be planting in my containers. So I'm going to get these ready and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, so I've got my 2 buckets. So this is the first lot of potatoes. These are Diaries. So I've got some soil, about 6 inches of soil into the bucket, and into that I'm going to put some bloodfish and bone. This is a dusty one, don't really like this one. I'm going to put a handful of Epsom salt, maybe a bit more. I'm going to put some chicken manure pellets. I'm going to just stir that in. This is just to revitalise the compost what was already there. These are my Diaries, so you can see they've started to chip a little bit already. So that's what you want to see on the potato. So I'm going to be putting them in. So I've seen some people put them in like this at the bottom, which is what I'm going to be experimenting with this year. Got 6 down the bottom. Then I'm going to put, this is an experiment one, I've seen some gardeners do this, so I'm going to try it myself. Just put a layer of your compost on top, about another 6 inches or so. So that's about another 6 inches. Do the same again with your Epsom salt. Bloodfish and bone. Stuff here, I think this was potato fertiliser, but I don't know what went wrong with it, so I'm just going to use it still. Just lightly mix that in, not to disturb your potatoes. Another layer of potatoes, just making sure you get the chitted ones. So this is what I've seen some people do, so I thought I'll give it a try as an experimental bucket for you. That's my Diaries. So what should technically happen is that you get the bottom layer of potatoes come through, come up, and then you've got another layer, because we've got 6 inches at the bottom and 6 inches again, so that's just a trial. So I'm going to put this compost on. And these buckets I'm going to be filling up because I'm not going to be topping them up again. So you usually put in the potatoes and top them up, but you don't have to do that. You don't have to do what I'm doing either. So that's my first bucket. So I'm going to do next one and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Done one bucket of Diaries. So this one is Maris Piper. So just the same thing, bloodfish and bone. Epsom salt. Chicken manure pellets. Just mix that in. Put in the potatoes. Just making sure that I've got the chickened ones. Just putting 5 down the bottom. The layer of compost. So I hope you all started your gardens now. I'm in Luton, I live in Luton, so I don't know what they're called, zone they're called that, because I see people putting up things about different zones and all that. I don't know about all that sort of thing. Bloodfish and bone again. A little bit more Epsom salt. Chicken manure pellets. And some of this stuff, I don't know. This might look like an overkill to a lot of people, but the soil has been sitting there for a year, a few months, so you need to revitalise your soil. Like the potatoes, always look for the ones that's chitted. And even if they're small, you can still, as long as they've got the chips on them, you know that they're alright. So this is 2 layers of potatoes. I've seen some of you do this, so I'm going to try it too. Some people say you get more potatoes from it, but I don't know, so I'm trying it too. So you have to remember as well, this channel's not just mine, it's for everybody. If you're new to gardening, if you're new to containers, then this channel is all for everybody to like, share and comment on. So I'm just getting my season going, getting my potatoes and that in. So I'll do this one, this is my second one. So I'll do this and then I'll be back with you in a minute. These ones I'm going to be planting in the normal way. Just going to be planting them, put 6 inches, and then these ones I'm going to just put 1 row and then top these ones up. The other 2 I'm doing as experimental. Because I've got more space now, I've got 5 in there. So I'm just planting these in the normal way, putting 6 inches of compost and then putting another 6. When they start to come out, then I'll just top it right up. You can see the dirt is really nice. I'm going to be bringing some dirt over from my allotment as well. They've got some nice compost over there, what they've got for sale. I should have bought it yesterday, but then I was thinking if I needed it, but I think I am going to need it. Bloodfish and bone on the top, some Epsom salt, some chicken manure pellets, and then I'm just going to just fork that in. Really digging it in and just forking it in so that it soaks down over time. So that's another one. I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've done another bucket, and these ones are Casablanca, so I'm just putting them in. These ones are well treated, so hopefully these should be the first ones to come through. So when you put them in, you put them with the chips facing upwards. This is the Castrol. These ones, as you can see, these are chipped as well. Got the thing started, so the chips are well started. So just put these. That's another 2 buckets. Just going to get the top dressing on. That's what I'm putting on for now, just till they come through, because this dirt is going to settle down. So once they come through, then I'll top them up again. Got one more bucket to do, so please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave any comments, leave them in the comment section. I know a lot of people's asking when am I going to be starting my sweet potatoes. That video will be coming out very soon. I'll show you what sweet potatoes I've got and how I plant my ones to get the slips and that. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel, get it to where it should be. This is a channel that I want everyone who's just starting off gardening or starting off an allotment to learn. Yes, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. I make a lot of mistakes. Don't expect everything what you plant to grow, but eventually as you go along you'll start to learn more things, and then things will start to come on for you. So I hope you all enjoy this one, and see you on the next one, and happy gardening to you all.